Greetings and welcome to day 9. Today I would like to talk to you about another one of the practices that are embodied within the 8 limbs of yoga, and this is pranayama. There are different pranayama practices. Just like there are different asanas or postures like downward dog or upward dog, there's different breath work. There's alternate nostril breathing, Brahmari, and a whole list of different types of breath practices. There's also a lot of science that has come forward sharing the benefits of a breathing practice on calming the nervous system and improving quality of health and just overall well-being. Many of the different types of pranayama have different purposes. Some are meant to cool, some are meant to heat up, some are meant to calm, some are meant to make something active. So they're used for a different reason. Different purposes would create a need to do a different pranayama. Today, with and under the topic of pranayama, I want to talk about something even more simple. And it's something we have with us that we don't need any training or skill or knowledge on how to do. We already do it. We already know how to do it. And it's just simply breathing. We have our breath with us in every moment. No matter where we go, we have access to the breath. It takes no time to tap in and focus on the breath. We don't have to stop what we're doing. We don't have to change anything. Just simply becoming aware of the breath. There are also a lot of benefits to allowing yourself to find the natural breath. So many times with pranayama, there is the holding in of the breath or holding out of the breath or extending the length of the breath or taking short, fast breaths. The breath practice I'm suggesting here for day 9 is to simply breathe and to be aware and to observe your breath throughout the day. To take a couple moments of the day and remember the breath. Remember that you're always breathing, whether you're remembering it or not, and to tune in and ask, how is my breath? How does it feel? Am I taking long breaths or short breaths? There's no need to change anything. It's just simply to observe and to allow the breath to have the pace, the rhythm, and the natural process that it has, and to align with that natural process. All that asks of you is to remember that you're breathing, to remember to pay attention to your breath. It goes on with or without you in some shape or form, whether it is responding to nervous system agitation and the breath becomes shallow, short, fast, or shock where it's held, or exercise where it's shorter and faster because you're breathing harder, or in a yoga practice where maybe you're working to stabilize the breath, where you're taking 5 count inhale and a 5 count exhale, or maybe even taking pauses between the inhale and exhale. The point here is not to actually change anything. It's just to remember to pay attention, to tap in, listen to the breath, and notice the quality of your breath. Notice what you're observing. And in that moment, after you observe, to just simply take a few moments to breathe. Without shifting anything, just breathe. Let's try it. That was 5 conscious breaths, simply paying attention to the inhale, the exhale, without actually changing anything. It allows our body, our mind, our spirit, our energy, all parts of our being to come into alignment and to resonate and attune to our natural rhythm. That's the point. Simple, natural, organic breathing, the breath, what you have with you all the time, wherever you are. It's going on with or without you. Tune in, tap into it, and sit with it in presence. Just sit, breathe. There's nothing to do. There's no other task. Give yourself that breathing moment in today. Thank you for watching and enjoy.